Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. Following up on the video that I made, the last video that I made on gratitude, your girl has been nominated for two awards, two more awards. I'm really overwhelmed by this feeling of gratitude, and it is honestly just gratitude to God. I made a post the other day saying that I'm honestly, like, nothing about me is self-made. I owe everything to God. Everything that I do, everything that I've achieved, I've also just been like, how did that even happen? And these two awards, I'm nominated for Best Styled Local Actress, and the second one is Best Styled Person with Disability. I'm so excited for both of them. I'm very grateful for both of them. But the one that stands out even more is the Best Styled Local Actress Award. Because for those that don't know, I'm an actress. I studied theater, and like it's in me. It is who I am. And to be recognized for that part of my life and to be recognized in that space, for me, I'm just like so grateful. God is proving to me that there's nothing that is impossible for him. God is proving to me and through me that what might seem like an inconvenience, he can just use for your good. And all glory be to him. All glory be to him. If there's a time where I felt like I'm completely reliant and dependent on God, it is the season that I'm in now. Because mentally, emotionally, I'm struggling. But God keeps reminding me not to give up. He keeps reminding me that, he sees me and that I have a purpose. If there's anything that I really just want people to take from my story and from my experiences, is that God can if God wants to. God can if he wants to. And if he decides that he wants to, he's going to make sure that you're ready for that. He's going to propel you and get you to that point. He's going to guide you if you let him. But if he wants to, he will. He can. And right now I'm just watching and just allowing him to take over. But not to over spiritualize anything, I'm just grateful. I'm happy. I'm so happy. And I would be grateful if everyone would vote for me to win. I'm not even going to sugarcoat that I want to win. Yes, I've been nominated and I'm grateful for that 100%. And I'm nominated against like actresses and disability advocates who are doing the most, For that's a win on its own. But for me to get those awards would be epic. For me to get those awards would be, I want to get them. And I can only do it with you guys. So if you will just vote for me, I will put all the information that you need in the description box, and also just on my social media, on my Facebook mostly. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and you'll get all the information. But I'm just grateful. I'm grateful. I feel like every time I'm super ready to just throw in the towel, God is like, psych, you're gonna do this, or here's an opportunity, or here's this, or there's a conversation that happens that is aligned with what I would like to happen in my life. Or do you get what I mean? Like, man, this has made me really, it's given me something to look forward to, and it's given me, I look so short, but anyway, I really tried, guys. I really tried to, you know, fix this height situation, but I'm a short girl, I'm a small girl, so it's fine, it's okay. Anyway, I'm very grateful. I really am grateful, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to share that things are looking good in that area. I feel so humbled. I was not expecting the nominations, and it gets me a bit emotional to an extent, but I'm a thug. I'm not gonna cry on camera. I'm not gonna do that, not today. But it's humbling. It's humbling, it's encouraging, and it's just, it's like, it feels like a pat on the back. Where you're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going. You're on the right path. Don't throw in the towel just yet. And this always happens whenever I'm like, literally just like, I'm so tired and I'm so done. Then something just comes up. Something just happens. And so, yeah. If there's anything that I would like you to take away from this video, is obviously be grateful. And just as you're about to give up, that's when you know you're getting closer. You're getting closer. You're getting closer. Don't give up. Don't give up just yet. Pushanyana gape. Haslanyana gape. You know, just take one more step. You never know what could happen. Hongwe, at that time when you decide, I'm throwing in the towel, this is it. That's when you're just about to reach your breakthrough. And I know it can be very discouraging. It can be extremely discouraging, but try not to lose hope. Don't give up just yet. Don't give up on yourself. If things are not going according to plan, don't change the vision. Just change the strategies that you're using to get to that end goal. Just change the way you're doing things, you know? Try and find other ways. Try and find more, like, different ways of doing it, you know? But don't throw in the towel. Hella nje. Because you never know. Maybe. Let me not talk too much. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts on this video. And like I said, please vote for me. Vote for me. I would really appreciate it. Like I said, I'll leave the information in the description box, and I'll also put it somewhere on the screen so that you can see. The links to my social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram specifically, are in the description box below. And so yeah, head over there and also follow me on those platforms to keep up with me when I'm not uploading here. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe and join this amazing family. Guys, I'm going to be consistent. And the girl has been dropping videos very consistently. So please give me my flowers. Give me my flowers. Like, I'm really doing the most. And I'm enjoying it. That's the thing. I'm enjoying it. Guys, come on, I had to wait. But anyway, let me not ramble because I could talk all day. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.